Hello students, hello everyone. So this class is based on Scratch. As we have discussed various things in previous two classes, but today agenda is Sprite. So in today class, we will learn each and every aspect related to Sprite. Okay. So you all have listened very carefully. So this is the Sprite, correct students? In between, I would like to ask some questions also, so be ready for that. So you all have to listen very carefully. So we are talking about this Sprite, like how many methods we can add Sprite on our stage. So we have 4 options, students. By the help of 4 options, we can easily add Sprite in our stories, in our games or animations. Maybe I want to create some animation. So in that case, we can easily add a sprite in according to our choices. Sometime I want a by default sprite. Sometime I want from the library. Okay. And sometime I want to create my own sprite. So today we will discuss the complete functionality of Paint Editor window also. तो आज हम ये भी सीखेंगे कि कैसे हम पेंट एडिटर के थ्रू अपने आप अपनी स्प्राइट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, उसके सारे टूल्स को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. ओके. So initially I'm going to brief 3 options and at the end we will discuss the paint editor window. So firstly, if I want to take a by default sprite, that is cat, you can take and you can utilize or use this cat in the animations or stories. But sometimes I don't want to take this cat in my designing. So what is the process for that? We have one option, that is choose a sprite. Here you can see choose a sprite. By the help of this option, we can add some sprite which are available in our Scratch library. Okay. So when I click on that, you can see multiple sprites are available here. For example, I want this bell on the stage area. So you all have to just click on that. When you click on that, you can directly see the same bell icon or a sprite on the screen. You can move to the any location by moving the cursor of the mouse. Okay. So this is the one method. Students, this is the single method. Now we are discussing the upload sprite. Okay. Listen carefully. Upload sprite. Like I don't want to take any single sprite from the library. I don't want to take anyone. But I want some new sprite which are not available in our Scratch library. So what is the process for that? The process is very simple. Firstly, we need to open a browser. And in browser, you can type your favorite sprite, whatever sprite you want to add in the project, in your own project, right? So you can type here, for example, I want technology related technology images. Okay. You want any technology related sprite. For example, you want this one. So firstly, students, you need to download this image from the internet or a Google, right? So just click on that. And after that, just right click on the given image. And here is the option save image as. Okay. Then you will find out the computer location, like where you want to save your downloaded image. Like I want to save this image in my downloaded image folder. I have one folder in my system that is downloaded image, and I want to save the same image in the same folder. So firstly, I will choose it, and then I can just press on save button. Okay, so downloading has done, correct? Now we will jump onto the Scratch. Now you can choose the upload sprite option. Just click on that. When you click on this upload sprite option, again you will receive the computer location. So wherever you have already saved your downloaded image, you can just open it. So here's my folder that is downloaded image. Just open it, and now you can see the current image which we have already downloaded, right? So just choose it and then just click on open. And now you can see it is importing and it is available here. तो अभी आपने देखा कि ये जो इमेज हमने ली है, ये हमारी स्क्रैच लाइब्रेरी में नहीं थी, करेक्ट? टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड कोई भी आपकी इमेज अवेलेबल नहीं थी, बट आप उसको इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड करके अपने स्टेज पर अपलोड कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ऑप्शन अपलोड स्प्राइट. Is it clear, students? Is there any doubt related to the choose sprite or upload sprite? We have two options, choose sprite और upload sprite. अभी तक हमने दो पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस किया है. Is there any doubt? Yes, please. Now you can unmute and please tell me. If you have no doubt, so we can move forward. Any doubt, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. Yes, please. Who is raising hand? Please ask your question. Can you repeat again your question? I'm not getting your voice, but
अरे पूछो, मैंने रेज कर रखा है, पूछ रही हूँ, पागल बना रही हूँ, क्या डाउट है पूछो ना.
yes, beta.
कुछ भी डाउट है मैम, आप बोलो.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही, समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, modern school. Can you hear me properly?
मैम आपकी वॉइस समझ में नहीं आ रही, समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
I'm asking you, yes,
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
yes, modern school. Can you hear me properly or not?
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
Wisdom School, please listen carefully. I'm asking to GS Modern School. GS Modern
मैम
School.
आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही, इसलिए समझ में नहीं आया। मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही, इसलिए समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा
Yes, ma'am.
ये मेरे को क्लियर है। आई एम आस्किंग टू GS Modern School. You are from GS Modern School?
Yes, ma'am.
नो मैम।
Just give me 1 minute. I'm checking the connection. Is it okay from our side or your side? Okay, just give me 1 minute. GS Modern School, please tell me, unmute yourself and switch on your camera.
Ma'am, our camera is already on.
Okay, so please tell me, my voice is clear to you or not?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Students, check your connections. I think your connection is weak. That's why you are not getting my voice properly, because other school is getting my voice properly. Okay. Okay, students.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm repeating again. Don't worry if you are not getting something. So I'm repeating again. मैं दोबारा से आपको explain कर रही हूँ, तो आप ध्यान से सुनिए.
Okay.
Like if I want to add a sprite, अगर मैं sprite add करना चाहती हूँ अपनी library से, I'm asking, I'm saying about the library sprite. Okay, जो हमारे स्क्रैच के सिस्टम में अवेलेबल है, स्क्रैच की लाइब्रेरी में अवेलेबल है, अगर मैं वहां से कोई भी स्प्राइट चूज करना चाहती हूँ, सो दैट आई कैन चूज फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, सो हियर इज द ऑप्शन. व्हेन आई क्लिक हियर, I can receive multiple sprites, right, students? So we
Yes.
have options like animals, peoples, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letter. Like I want to take a letter. So I just want to select the letter category, and I can just tap on any letter which I want. And now we can see it is available on the stage area. Correct?
Yes.
So this is the process to choose a sprite from the library, जो हमारे सिस्टम में ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. बट सम केसेस में ऐसा भी हो सकता है स्टूडेंट कि लाइक जो भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल स्प्राइट्स हैं, करेक्ट, दैट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर मी, दैट इज नॉट ओके फॉर मी, वो मुझे सही नहीं लग रहा है कि मुझे वो चाहिए. आई वांट समथिंग न्यू. करेक्ट. So in that case, we have one more option here, that is upload sprite. But before upload, we need to take our favorite image. तो वो favorite image को हमें पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा from the internet. So we'll go on the internet, that means on Google, correct? And then I can type the image name, like I want a computer image. So I can type here computer image. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we can choose any computer image which I want and which I like. Okay, so I want, like, for example, this one. So I need to just select it. Please mute yourself. Wisdom School students, please mute yourself so that you can understand. Yes, thank you. Okay, now listen. till then I am explaining, you can mute yourself. जब तक मैं explain कर रही हूँ तब तक आप अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. जब आपको कोई question query है तब आप अपने आप को unmute करें. Yes, very good.
Okay.
So here is the image and firstly we need to download it. हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको डाउनलोड करना पड़ेंगे. What is the process for that? Just right click on that and just save image as. अब आप इसको कहाँ सेव करना चाहते हैं अपने सिस्टम में? Like I want to save in my downloaded image. This is the folder. Just select on it and then just click on save. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
now you can jump onto the Scratch. When you click on the upload sprite, okay, then you can find out your image. आपने जो भी अभी डाउनलोड किया उसको आप सर्च करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Like there's our computer image. Yes, here it is, right? So just select on it and then just click on open button. Oh, this is the technology image and I want the computer image. So just delete it. Yes, just choose upload sprite and you need to find out the computer image. Where is the computer image? Okay, we need to check it out. Yes, here it is. And then choose it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, this one. There it is. Correct. And then just click on open. And now you can see the same image is importing. It is available here. अब आप screen पर देख पा रहे हो, the image is same which we have downloaded from the Google. Correct. Now everything is clear, students. Wisdom School.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we will discuss the third thing, which is very important. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so we will discuss the third thing, that is regarding paint. अब आपने क्या किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपकी जो लाइब्रेरी में स्क्रैच इमेजेस थी वो आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल नहीं लेनी है, आपको अपने इंटरनेट से भी कोई इमेज डाउनलोड नहीं करनी है, दोनों केसेस में आपकी चॉइस नहीं है, एंड यू वांट एग्जैक्ट द सेम इमेज लाइक विच यू आर थिंकिंग इन आवर माइंड, राइट? जो भी हम अपने माइंड में सोच रहे हैं आप उसको बनाना चाहते हैं, लाइक दैट्स माय चॉइस कि मैं अपनी अपनी चॉइस का कोई स्प्राइट क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव वन ऑप्शन, दैट इज पेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज पेंट. सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट, and when you click on this paint you will receive the paint editor window. You will receive the paint editor window. When you choose this paint editor window you will receive the location where you can design your own sprite. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the role of each and every tool in the paint. Okay, so listen carefully. Firstly, we will learn like what is the role of this select button. Like for example, if I want to do any action, so before that we need to select it. Okay, like for example, firstly I want to draw a circle. My choice is firstly I want to draw a circle. So just create a circle by choosing the circle tool, and then just drag your mouse like this. You can change the size also in this way, in this way. It's totally depends upon you कि आपको कितना बिग उसको क्रिएट करना है, कितना स्मॉल साइज रखना है, उसको ओवल शेप में ले जाना है, उसको माइनर शेप में रखना है. It's totally depends upon you, and by the help of these dots you can do the same task which we are discussing in the class, right? Now we have one more option, that is the arrow button, and by the help of arrow button you can rotate your image according to our condition, correct? According to our choice. Like I want in this direction a oval shape so that I can resume my cursor. Okay, even you can delete all the sprites so that you can see all the changes in the stage area. Yes, it's visible now. Correct. Now, what is the role of this line? By the help of this line tool, you can draw a single line or multiple lines according to your choice. Correct. So by the help of these line tool, we can create a line on our sprite. मेरी sprite में अगर मेरी कहीं condition है कि मेरे को कहीं line create करना है, then we can go with this tool. Now, the next one is rectangle. Rectangle is again a shape tool, right? You can just draw it according to your own choice. Like if you want to create a small rectangle, you want to create a big rectangle, you want to create like in a horizontal form rectangle, right? So you can create your choice according. Now, next we are discussing one thing. Like for example, we are discussing about the selection tool. So selection tool क्या करता है? Like for example, I want to select only single rectangle out of all these three rectangles, so we can select it. Like I want to do some task with this rectangle, so we need to select first, and then I want to do some another task with this rectangle, then we can select it by the help of the selection tool. Okay, so this is the role of selection tool. बाकी देखो मूवमेंट में नहीं है, जिसको मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है मैं उसके साथ कुछ भी टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ. So we have already discussed about the rectangle tool, circle tool, line tool, selection tool. Now we are discussing about the paint filling tool. That means we know if we want to change the color, so we need to select fill tool, and then we need to choose any color under the fill. Like for example, I want to take yellow color, then just click on that. Again, I want to take a red color. So before that we need to select the object. कहाँ मुझे करना है? So उसके लिए मुझे selection tool लेना पड़ेगा. And I want to change the middle oval circle color. So then you will go in the fill tool, and then you can choose the sky blue color. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you want to change this small rectangle color also. So you need to select by the help of this selection tool first, and then go in the fill tool, and then you have to take a black color. Now you can change it. Okay. So in this way we can use this paint tool. Now we are talking about the text tool. Like for example, I want to write something, so I can type here all are shapes. And by the help of selection tool we can adjust it where you want to add. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the role of text tool. And this is
Text
the
tool.
eraser tool. Like for example, if you want to erase something, like you want to erase the text, you can erase it. If you want to remove this rectangle box, you can erase it, right? If you want to erase this line, you can erase it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And by the help of eraser, you can create some different picture also, like this. आप मिडल पोर्शन में से थोड़ा थोड़ा आप इरेज करके एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ शेप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. आप इस तरीके से भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ इरेजर. यू कैन सी.
Yes, ma'am.
एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इरेजर टूल. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिव टूल. It's not just erasing the element, it's creating some other element also, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is the paintbrush tool. If you want to write according to your choice, draw something like this. In this way we can use, and here's the paintbrush size. This is 10. If you want to increase it, you can see the marker line is increasing. Correct? You can change the color also.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? So
Yes,
by
ma'am.
the help of eraser, you can just erase it because it is looking like a necessary thing. So we can erase also. So this is the role of paintbrush tool. Are you getting this thing? Are you getting this thing, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now only one thing. Okay, fine. Now one thing is remaining, that is reshape. Now I'm going to show you. Like for example, I'm taking a rectangle. Okay.
Rectangle.
And then we need to reshape it. For example, I want to reshape this corner. So by the help of this, I can reshape it. Okay, according to my choice. किसी भी पॉइंटर से आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसको रीशेप कर सकते हो.
रीशेप कर सकते हैं.
Yes. For example, like this. And if you want to just create a curve, आप इस तरीके से भी रीशेप कर सकते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the role of reshape pointer. When you select any pointer and you want to reshape, you can just reshape it. Okay, so this is all about
Okay,
the
ma'am.
tools.